Here's the original charging cable for our iPhone. It's too small in my opinion. It's flimsy and thin, so I really like the nylon braid here. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Amazon Basics lightning cable. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging. We have the 6-foot cord option. They do have 3-foot versions available. You can get 1, 2, or 5 packs, and they have multiple colors. We have a red, we have a white, and we have a gray. We have the gray cable here, so I'm excited to see how it looks, but this is what you can expect if you purchase it. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, we have a piece of product literature letting us know that they want to hear our feedback. Next, we have the cable itself. Nice braided cable right here. Lightning connector on one side, USB Type A on the other. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. All right, we have our iPhone plugged in and charging. Let's go ahead, I'll show you it right here. So we plugged it in, it's charging up just fine. Here's the original charging cable for our iPhone. It's too small in my opinion. It's flimsy and thin, so I really like the nylon braid here. It's a noticeable difference in build quality in my opinion. Now in regards to performance, I didn't notice anything different charging the iPhone using the Amazon Basics cable versus the Apple charging cable. No noticeable difference or discrepancy in charging speed or performance or anything like that. So long term, I expect this cable to hold up way better than the Apple one due to just having the nice nylon braid to protect it. And I want to point out that I really enjoy having the 6-foot length versus the 3-foot length. This is just not enough usable length in my opinion. The 6-foot's great if you want to connect it to a computer. Maybe it's on the floor. Maybe you need more room in your room if you want to set your phone on your nightstand or something like that to charge, or you have it connected in your car. It's always a great idea to get a couple extra feet to give you that extra length.